Alright, we're just doing a little hard floor cleaning. I'm just going to spray some cleaning solution around.
Using a low amount.
Yeah, you don't need to get the floor.
We're not going to soak this at all. This is a vinyl sheet that looks kind of like tiles, but it's not. It's just a vinyl sheet flooring. Got some background noise because I got some laundry equipment that's running, so. Alright. So we got that part of the room, and then I'll bring the camera around. And we're just going up to basically the threshold before we get to the cage.
Here we go.
It's kind of an overcast day and it's cold, so it's kind of hard to show exactly what's going on.
It's kind of nasty.
Yeah.
Yesterday it was 70 or 82 degrees, and today it's like 45, so it's still winter in Texas.
You can kind of see the floor's got some dampness on it where he sprayed at.
Normally we move this table, but it's not, I mean the floor is dirty, the customer said it is dirty, but we're just going to get it under the table.
Yeah, that's... Today it just worked out. It's easier just not to move all that because there's a bunch of stuff on the table today and stuff. Alright, you can kind of see the floor over here. You can see there's still some moisture there he hasn't got to yet. I'll try to find a way to, it's hard with the lighting and everything, but where you can kind of see more of what's going on better. If we get too close, you don't see it.
We seem to clean these floors about maybe every 2 to 3 months. These are the kind of customers that take care of their own floors, but they like it done by other people that'll do a heavier job on it. Some customers like to have a cleaner place than others, and they don't mind paying to have someone come out and go beyond what they can do with just a mop.
Yeah, it's been rainy and cold the last couple months off and on, so they kind of feel like they want to refresh everything.
Yeah, they got dogs and grandkids and kids.
People tracking stuff in.
A lot of stuff where the floors get dirtier than normal, and it's winter time, so there's a lot of, there can be ice and snow and dampness outside, so.
And you can use almost any neutral pH floor product to do stuff like this. You don't need very much of it.
If you want to stand right here.
Well, hold on. Let me see how it looks if I.
This will be the area. This will be the area where I stop. I'm not going.
Yeah. See, I can kind of see your reflection off the floor a little bit. So maybe
it's a good spot.
Maybe back here, because I try to get too close, and then you can't see because the overhead light bounces up into the lens, and this way there's a little bit of a reflection, which is good.
Okay, let me spray my way back so I won't be stepping all over.
Yeah, see, it doesn't take a terribly long time to do this, so.
Okay. You're gonna film from behind instead of in front?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it from back here for now. Just work. You're gonna work your way in, aren't you?
Yeah. You can come forward.
I'll just kind of stay to the side a little bit too.
Now, does the camera pick up the dampness?
I think it is in some spots, yeah.
If you leave the camera in one place, it'll pick up stuff here and there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's doing a good job. Now these floors are either already dry or they'll be dry in under a minute, 30 seconds maybe.
Yeah.
I think they're dry because I can't see my footprints really, but in case there is footprints, I'll pin my way back out just to make sure that if I have prints, they never come out. There's someone who's a fan of our work.
That somebody's very offended, yeah. He finds you completely offensive.
I bet he does. Don't they all? You better come forward for this.
I can see because there's a reflection right where you're at.
Well, you're not going to see over here.
Well, I'm not going to be able to see over there. It's a dark corner
I
anyway.
only need but a couple of seconds in here anyway. I'm going to come out, back my way out so you can still film.
All right.
In case I left any footprints.
Well, and this helps dry it the rest of the way in case.
Yeah, if there's any dampness, it'll not only take out footprints, but get out any dampness that could be in here. No, I'm only going over to get where there's the footprints. Like on your tables, there's not footprints in there, so I'm not hitting it twice. Just in there is where I know I put a wall.
I'll put links in the video description for the Oreck Orbiter and all the other, any other things, notes on the products we're using. We're using a pad driver and pads that we get from Corey Thibodaux. And I'll put his information there, but you could text him at 512-350-1129. He's in Austin.
I'm taking quick because I think the pads are, isn't there a free, like, a sell on them?
I don't know about the pads.
There used to be where you get a certain amount of them for free, 1 or 2 free ones.
No, I'll maybe get an extra couple, 1 or 2.
Don't know if they're still doing that. But
You'd have to ask him for details. I'm not sure about that. But
if they are.
Yeah, but he's in Austin, Texas, and he does a lot of videos on Carpet Muscle TV on YouTube. But we help him push products a little bit because he's a nice guy. He's sent us a lot of stuff to experiment with.
Corey's a good guy.
Yeah.
He's honest. He don't lie or cheat or rip you off.
Yeah.
He's good.
Well, let's see. I think that's pretty much it for the floor.
Yeah, I'll finish this little area.
Let's see. Get a little closer. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh boy. All right.
Oh, don't turn the camera off yet.
Oh, you can show what the bonnet looks like?
Yeah, we'll see
and
if
the
we
pad?
pick up any dirt. No, I didn't see the floor looking all that dirty, but the customer thinks it probably is, but who knows?
There's always a little dirt on
There could be
everything.
something, yeah. Let's see.
Well, it's maybe a tiny bit of dirt. Itsy bitsy teeny bit.
Well, it's a good amount of dirt.
All right.
That's how they should look.
All right. Check the video description for more details. And I hope you guys enjoyed that. Till next time, thanks for watching.